Hello, so as part of a post-skiing stretching routine, just giving you some guidance on how you can loosen up the hamstrings, the glutes, whilst also opening up the shoulders. So Shannon is going to step, so her feet are wide apart. And so inhaling, raising the hands above the head. And then exhale, folding, hands coming down towards the floor, fingertips in line with the toes, palm of the hand in line with the heels. If you need a block or a book, just rest your hands there. So we're feeling the weight coming to the outside of both feet. So rolling to the outside where our little toes are. We're not collapsing through the arches. We're inhaling, looking forward. And exhale, folding. So as you're folding, you're feeling more through the glutes, the hamstrings, maybe the lower back. And to bring a gentle stretch in here, Shannon is going to exhale and walk her hands to the right side. So right hand can hold right ankle. Left hand could either come to the ankle or maybe come to 1 or 2 o'clock. Inhaling, lengthen spine. And exhale, fold. Try to keep both knees straight, but again, not locked, because then you lose some of that balance. Inhale, lengthen, look forward, Shannon. And then exhaling, just walking your hands over to the left side. So left hand comes to left ankle, right hand could hold the ankle or come to about 10 or 11. Inhale, lengthen, look forward. And exhaling, folding, head comes down to the left knee. And holding for a few breaths. Inhale, lengthen. And exhale, fold. One more time, inhale, lengthen. And then exhaling, walking the hands back to center. Inhale, lengthen, flat back, look forward. Hands to hips on the exhale. And inhaling, bringing the back to vertical. So just to open up the chest as well as the glutes here, Shannon's going to place the hands behind the back, interlinking the fingers. As you inhale, push the hands back down past the bottom, opening up the chest. And then exhale, folding. Head comes down towards the floor. Hands will either point up towards the ceiling, or maybe if you've got super flexibility through the shoulders, maybe towards the front of your room. Try not to bounce too much, try smooth, slow movement. So as we inhale, we lengthen, we look forward a little bit more, and then exhale, fold. So again, you're working the hamstrings, the glutes, but also now the shoulders are opening. On your next inhale, come all the way back in one smooth movement. Hands releasing from behind the back. And then stepping the feet together. And coming into mountain pose. So it's just a really quick and short hamstring and shoulder opener whilst you're waiting for the shower, you're waiting for people to get ready.